so this is an important day for Brandon. Well, potentially important. We're gonna go pick up a Mighty Max. It's way over there, about 10 miles.
Not far at all.
Not far at all. Couldn't be easier.
Far enough because it doesn't drive.
Right, but yeah. So it's a 4x4, and the price is right. We're gonna go check it out. If it's not rotten, we're gonna get it.
It's ours.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do this.
Welcome back to Tunes and Tunes. As you can see, we have a fun new build we're starting. This is a 1988 Dodge D50 Power Ram, which is the same thing as a Mitsubishi Mighty Max that we're calling War Machine. We have a few goals for this build. The first is to build a super fun vehicle for Brandon to troll the streets with. The second was to bring some more unique content to the channel, since there's not a lot of these builds up on here. A third goal was to teach Brandon how to build and work on cars. He's been helping a lot with some of the other builds, but this one will be his first start to finish build.
Okay. Brandon's stirring up trouble. So we're here with the truck, and we sold the engine. So
See you later.
yeah, we need to get this engine out of here, and well, we also needed to get it out of here so that we could start working on the truck.
The plan is to keep this thing a 4x4, but swap out the 2.6 liter 4G54 with a 2 liter 4G63T, and also to swap out the auto to a manual, because that's what Brandon wanted.
That's all I got. Turning wise, I don't know about the corner. I can't see up here. Good thing I stopped, I think.
Yeah, that's a good thing you stopped.
Okay.
Yeah, crank that bolt going the other way.
Let's hold the boy back.
Bring it up in. Straighten out. To the left. Straight. This old dusty moose is in here. Oh, sorry, Brandon.
I'm here too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the truck's here too.
Oh, yeah.
It was. I was using light power.
All right. This is what it looks like in here. It's been sitting a while. It's gonna be fun.
Should we write "drive me" on the window?
All right, it's engine pulling time. While we wait for the Bassmaster to show up, we're gonna unhook the wires and the hoses and stuff. Not that there's much left, but it wasn't like fully in there. There's no fluids, which makes it a lot easier. But yeah, so we're gonna get to work in there.
And this only has the two side mounts, the big biscuits.
Yeah.
And we gotta get the, if it has a dust cover plate, we gotta get the torque converter bolts out so the converter hopefully stays with the transmission.
Yeah, okay.
Do we trust lifting this thing with another engine in the bed of the truck?
Yeah. There's two in the bed.
Okay, but that's worse. I mean, you do get how that's worse, right?
All right, so we got it out as you saw, and now we're getting it crated up for a nice friend from Milwaukee or something. I hope this is in a happy car.
At the car store.
Yeah. So we're gonna put 4 straps on this, and then we're gonna saran wrap it. So this will be good. We did it, Brandon.
We did it. It's out.
It's out. Look at this thing in here. It's out.
Out like sauerkraut.
We added the wood. That wasn't there.
The wood's new.
New woods.
We managed to track down an engine. Our buddy Jeremy found a 1G GSX project that he wanted the wheels off of, and it happened to have a freshly rebuilt 6-bolt 4G63 in it that would be great for the truck.
Yeah, man, this is 5 feet.
Brandon, there's an engine in there. And we need it.
4G63, I think.
In there?
With a T on the end.
Let's take it home. Yeah. What car are we under? Actually, you just saw it in the last scene. It's that 1G that Jeremy bought for the wheels. And then he got the engine. So we got the engine mounts left. We're trying to get this 6-bolt block, well, a 6-bolt engine out for Brandon, for the truck. So we're down to the engine mounts, So we're gonna get this rear roll stop off. Then we'll lower it down, take the sides off. It'll sit on there, and we'll just raise the car up around it.
Hey, there we go. Now, bolts and hose. Bolts and hose. My training balance it. We got an engine out.
All right, here's the engine. We're not gonna use it like this. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff to it, but it's a 6-bolt. Yeah, we're gonna get this transmission out that we can't use. So this is the auto trans for the 2.6. We're not gonna use it because we're not gonna have a 2.6 or an automatic.
It's got a 2x4 differential.
Yeah, so we don't know how to take this out, but we'll figure it out. So right now we just have these 2 cross member bolts, and this thing should come down. It's loose. It's ready to come out. It's rearing to come out.
Part central in here.
Yeah. So we're gonna get a thing to set it on. We'll disconnect it and then lift the truck up and leave it down.
Use a thing with a thing. Remove this thing.
Yep.
That way this thing is a little less.
Yeah.
So we can make it a whole lot more.
Exactly. Got the transmission out, transmission transfer case. This is an auto trans from a, what's the word?
Montero.
A Montero. Montero, but with the Mighty Max transfer case. Here's our made in Japan. There's a serial number. So, yeah. We'll just sell this thing. We're not going to use it. We got it out. That wasn't bad. We were very careful.
Took 5 minutes.
Yeah. Actually, it was just an instant for you. Not you.
You.
Jeremy, if you're watching this, you're not watching it. Let's be serious.
3 weeks later, hasn't seen this one.
Yeah. Yeah. So, all right. Well, this is out, and now we're down to the shell. We got some more stuff to remove in the engine bay that's not going back in. Oh, no. It's a boy.
Sticky.
Now we're on to the point.
Sorry, I'll stop.
Now we're to the point where we're gonna take everything out of the engine bay that's not gonna go back in. The harness, these brake lines, everything we're gonna redo is gonna come out. So we can start with the bare engine bay like we do.
Down the bare metals.
Yeah, bare metal, as they say. Camden's still here.
Bare metal.
But yeah, so let's do that. we've cleared out everything that is going to be cleared out so that we can start cleaning this thing. We're going to redo all of the brake lines. We'll probably do braided stainless lines just to not have hard lines.
Pretty.
Which I know some people don't like, but we like it and it's fine. So, yeah, this paint's in great shape. It's dirty, but it's not bad at all. So we could probably get away without repainting this thing, which would be great. So, yeah, that's where we're at.
That's it.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
See ya. Jeremy didn't watch this.
I know you haven't seen this, Jeremy.
No.
Are those considered migratory birds?
I think so.
Because if they're Canadian geese, they're not from here. They're not American geese that go to Canada.
Right.
They're from...
In Canada, they call them Canada geese too.
Do they?
Yeah.
Just like it's called Canada Dry, it's not just called dry.
Right.
Wait, can we do this over again? I have
No,
my
we're good.
glasses on.
We're good.